We've all been bombarded with diet fads promising effortless weight loss. The ketogenic diet stands apart, rooted in scientific principles of energy utilization. Instead of relying on carbohydrates, the ketogenic diet encourages your body to enter ketosis, burning fat for fuel. Imagine your body as a car with two fuel options: gasoline, carbs, and electricity, fat. The ketogenic diet flips the switch, prompting your body to embrace its inner electric car, tapping into stored fat reserves. This metabolic shift occurs when carbohydrate intake is drastically reduced, forcing your liver to produce ketones, molecules derived from fat breakdown. The allure of the ketogenic diet extends beyond its unique metabolic approach. It lies in the potential health benefits. Weight loss often takes center stage, as the body's transition to burning fat for fuel can lead to significant reductions in body weight and fat mass. The ketogenic diet ignites your body's fat-burning furnace, promoting sustained energy release and reducing the need for constant snacking. Beyond weight management, many keto enthusiasts report enhanced mental clarity, improved focus, and increased cognitive function. The brain's efficient utilization of ketones as an alternative energy source can lift the fog of brain fog and enhance mental acuity. The ketogenic diet can have a similar effect on cognitive function, allowing for greater productivity and overall cognitive well-being. While the ketogenic diet offers potential benefits, it's essential to acknowledge potential risks and side effects. One common concern is the risk of nutrient deficiencies, as severely restricting certain food groups can lead to inadequate intake of essential vitamins and minerals. Our bodies require a diverse array of nutrients to function optimally, and neglecting certain food groups on keto can lead to deficiencies. Another common hurdle is the infamous keto flu, a collection of flu-like symptoms that may surface during the initial days or weeks of carbohydrate restriction. Headaches, fatigue, nausea, and constipation are common complaints, often attributed to the body's adjustment to a new fuel source. The keto flu is a temporary phase, with symptoms typically subsiding as the body becomes accustomed to utilizing ketones as its primary fuel source. Embarking on a ketogenic journey is not a one-size-fits-all endeavor. It's about discovering what works best for your unique body and lifestyle. A successful ketogenic experience requires personalization, considering individual needs, preferences, and health goals. The ketogenic diet allows for flexibility and customization, with variations such as targeted keto, cyclical keto, and high-protein keto catering to specific dietary needs. Before diving into keto, consult with your healthcare provider or a registered dietitian. They can assess your current health status, identify potential risks, and guide you in developing a sustainable and individualized ketogenic meal plan. Think of your healthcare provider as your trusted co-pilot, navigating the complexities of nutrition and providing personalized guidance. Transitioning to a ketogenic lifestyle involves more than simply swapping out carbs for fats. It requires a shift in mindset. Consider these practical tips to thrive on a ketogenic diet. Prioritize whole, unprocessed foods such as fresh vegetables, grass-fed meats, wild-caught fish, and healthy fats from avocados, olive oil, and nuts. These nutrient-dense foods provide essential vitamins, minerals, and antioxidants while keeping your body fueled and satisfied. Hydration is paramount, especially during the initial stages of keto adaptation. Increased water intake helps flush out toxins, combats constipation, and replenishes electrolytes lost through increased urination. The ketogenic diet, with its potential for weight loss, improved mental clarity, and other health benefits, has garnered significant attention. However, it's crucial to approach it with a balanced perspective, considering both its potential advantages and drawbacks. For individuals struggling with weight management, type 2 diabetes, or certain neurological conditions, the ketogenic diet may offer a viable therapeutic approach. However, its restrictive nature and potential for nutrient deficiencies necessitate careful planning and monitoring. The decision to embrace the ketogenic diet should be made on an individual basis, considering personal health goals, dietary preferences, and any underlying health conditions. Seeking guidance from a healthcare professional or registered dietitian can help you make an informed decision and navigate the complexities of this dietary approach safely and effectively.